Hi, I'm Stacy Sparks, and I'm one of the 4 owners here at Pool Referees. We are a service and repair pool company in the North Texas area, and we found Jill's about a year ago. We have been in business for 7 years, and most of that time I was taking the calls. I am a homeschool mother of 3, and as you can imagine, I had to spend many a phone call hiding out in a closet or in the bathroom trying to sound as professional as possible while the baby's crying or the toddler needs something. And the office staff that I was able to train the past couple of years, they just weren't quite up to par and what I needed them to be for my customers. And Jill's provides all of that and more. They are so professional and courteous to our customers. Our customers have no idea we even have an answering service. They think they work for Pool Referees, and that's amazing. The response we've gotten has been great. They're also professional to work with. You guys not only help us feel like we matter, and all of our little idiosyncrasies as a pool repair and maintenance company we have, and all of our needs, they get met. No need is too small, and we really feel important. We couldn't do it without you guys, and we are so grateful for Jill's office and so happy we found you. We do have to give a shout out, of course, to Kurt from Responsibid, because he's the one that introduced you guys to us. So thank you so much, and we love all that you do for Pool Referees.